AI is already showing up in most businesses. Sometimes it's formal, sometimes it's just someone in the team using a free AI tool to write an email, summarize notes, or get a faster first draft. And that's useful, but it also raises a bigger question. Is AI helping the business in a way that is safe, practical, and connected to how people actually work? And that's where Microsoft Copilot is a bit different. Copilot brings AI into Microsoft 365, so it works natively across familiar tools like Outlook, Teams, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and of course, SharePoint. And that means people do not need to start from a blank page, dig through long email threads, or manually pull together information from different places. Copilot can help users draft, summarize, analyze, prepare, and follow up faster. For growing businesses, the value is not the novelty of AI. The value is time back, clearer communications, better follow up, and faster access to the information people already have permissions to use. But Copilot still needs the right approach. The best outcomes come from when businesses choose sensible use cases, support their users, and think about security and governance from the onset. At Backbone, we help customers understand where Copilot fits, what needs to be in place, and what the right next step should be. Not hype, not about licensing. It's about getting more from your business. A practical conversation about AI that helps people do better work.